Y'all, Outre's been killing it all year and it's only March? Like, girl, look at this. No baby hairs needed though. What? Okay, Neesha 208, I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. Wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind all of your foes, all of your clothes, and all of your hoes. They play their role, they're selling their soul. They pay their toll as they get in control. Getting exposed and letting it show. Setting up failure, watching it. And now everyone knows. Picking up the pieces, releases the piece that you've been told. Holding on to breathe, you proceed to believe you're free, suppose. I can hear the weak that's just sneaking and seeking to dispose. I'm smelling inside of your clothes, repelling the stuff in my nose.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Our Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from Outre. Of course, I'm wearing it in the style Neesha 208 and the color number 2. So let's just pop right into the specs. So this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps, as well as the singular middle HD lace parting. And yes, honey. So I feel like this is just one that did not need baby hairs. It did come with a smidgen of them, but I just feel like the way that the style is, like, you don't even need them, girl. So I'm just letting these swoops fall how they fall. As you can see, the hairline, it's not too awful, but it's a little dense for my liking. I feel like you can manipulate that and make it look more realistic with the baby hairs that come with it. But honestly, I feel like I like it just as is with this bang situation just falling in the front, so I did not feel the need to use the baby hairs. So the texture on this one is definitely feeling like a medium relaxed Yaki, and I am all here for it. I did get a little bit of tangling and some shedding, but nothing too crazy as always. The density, as you could see, this is everything to the front, and it is a really nice density. If I had to guess, I want to say it's about 150%, so it's definitely not too heavy and it's not too thin either. The length on it, I am 5'3" for reference, and it is coming below my boobs. This one is definitely also coming off small and medium head friendly. It could be a little bit tighter if you do have a larger sized head, so keep that in mind. But if you do have a small to medium sized head, I feel like this one will fit you perfectly. This one is also heat friendly up to 400 degrees, so keep that in mind if you did want to apply heat. I wasn't getting too much hump action going on the top, so I did just go in with my wax stick and sort of just apply it to get it to lay down a little bit more, because I really didn't feel like it needed too much heat. And then I also just went in my brush and just brushed it down a little bit, and maybe it could use a little more work, but I feel like I'm pretty satisfied with this. This is easily a throw on and go unit. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, I can't say I literally have any cons with this unit, especially how fast it was for me to get this look. I want to say this took about 20 minutes, and that's including the time it took for me to add concealer and cut the lace off. So honey, yes. So my pros on this unit are, I really love the fact that it was a simple throw on and go. I feel like the texture is beautiful. I really love the density. The curl pattern is very nice. I love the fact that I didn't even feel the need to add baby hairs, which I always do, but you can have that option if you do feel the need to do so. I feel like, oh no, this unit is just like, yes, honey. Yes, yes, yes. I am absolutely all here for it. I feel like it's definitely worth the buy. I feel like I definitely will be buying it again. Honey, Outre is just coming with these units, and I'm never, like, never disappointed. Like, here and there, yes, but like honey, they have stepped the bar up so high. I feel like these other competitions are not messing with Outre, honey. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.